Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with the 18 to 55mm lens. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to upgrade your photography gear, this camera is a fantastic choice. Let's get right into the review. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link below for the best prices available today. First, let's talk about image quality. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is equipped with a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, which allows for incredibly detailed, vibrant photos. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action shots, the image clarity is top-notch. You'll be able to capture rich colors and sharp details in your photos, even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for a variety of shooting situations. When it comes to video, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 doesn't disappoint either. It offers full HD 1080p video recording, so you can create high-quality videos with great clarity. Whether you're vlogging or capturing special moments, the video quality will impress your viewers with smooth, clear footage. Another standout feature is the DIGIC 4+ image processor, which ensures that your photos and videos have accurate color reproduction and fast processing speeds. The camera performs exceptionally well in continuous shooting, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. For connectivity, the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to easily share your photos and videos with your smartphone or other devices. This is a huge convenience for creators who want to quickly upload or share their content on social media without needing to transfer files manually. The 18 to 55mm lens that comes with the camera is versatile and perfect for a wide range of photography. Whether you're taking wide-angle shots or zooming in for some close-ups, this lens covers all your basic needs. What I love about the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is that it's incredibly user-friendly. It's designed with beginners in mind, so if you're new to DSLR cameras, you'll find the controls easy to understand. The guided user interface helps you learn about different settings and how to take great shots. Plus, the camera's optical viewfinder gives you a real-time, accurate view of what you're shooting, and the 9-point autofocus system ensures you get sharp, focused images every time. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is an excellent option for anyone looking to step up their photography game. It's packed with powerful features, offers exceptional image and video quality, and is easy to use, making it perfect for beginners and intermediate photographers alike. So if you're ready to elevate your photography or video content, be sure to check out the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera by clicking the link below for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.